Hey, so I wanted to make a video of a real unboxing of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus from AT&T. The reason is because I noticed that folks that got the phone early got braided cables. Well, if you pre-ordered your phone and you had AT&T, you're not getting braided cables. I'm doing this video on my Galaxy Note 10 right now, and this is the unboxing of everything except the phone. I'm sure you've seen the phone by now, so I'm just going to take all the documentation out. So there's the getting started guide. Yes, the phone comes with a touchscreen built into it. It's actually really good. It prevents a lot of the scratches, but this was the big surprise. So I haven't used these components at all because I thought they were a problem. Only the AKG headphones aren't braided. See, look at that. That's plastic. Those aren't braided headphones. So maybe it's different on Verizon. And the power cable isn't braided either. That's just regular plastic. And it does come with a tool here, but everything's coated in plastic, so nothing is like those professional YouTube videos that you see where everything is braided and everything is already, out of the plastic. I'm sure that most of those YouTubers open the box, take the plastic out, but this is a real world unboxing. Everything's wrapped in plastic and everything is plastic. None of the cables are braided. So I'm sure if you pre-ordered the phone from AT&T, you were surprised as well, just like I was. And I hope to send you guys some more videos soon. Thanks for checking it out. Bye-bye.